No one's born knowing how to save or invest. Successful investors start with basics. Some might luck into financial security, but for most, it's about saving and investing over time. With dedication, even those with modest means can achieve financial security, owning a home, educating their kids, and retiring comfortably. With JM, you can do it. It's easier than you think. There are several common reasons people save and invest. Financial security, saving and investing for emergencies and unexpected expenses, as well as for retirement, provides a safety net for the future. Education. Saving and investing to cover the costs of higher education for oneself or family members can open up opportunities for personal and professional growth. Home ownership. Saving for a down payment and investing in real estate can lead to home ownership, providing stability and potential long-term financial growth. Travel and experiences. Saving and investing for travel and other experiences can enrich life and create lasting memories. Entrepreneurial ventures. Saving and investing capital to start or grow a business can lead to financial independence and fulfillment. Legacy planning. Saving and investing to leave a financial legacy for future generations or to support charitable causes can be a meaningful goal for many individuals. When it comes to making money, there are generally two main ways to grow your wealth. You work for money, your money works for you. JM Global, an investment for your future.